Nanjing Emitech CNC Products expertise in product design, aluminum and zinc casting, CNC machining, consulting, assembly and testing services for 20 years. Nanjing Emitech CNC become a professional manufacturer in die casting field and also can manufacture extrusion, gravity casting, sand casting, low pressure die casting, CNC machining, plastic injection according to customers' design. Our product covers LED light housing, heat sink, other lighting parts, motor parts, motorcycle parts, automotive parts, furniture parts, machine parts, kitchenware, electronic accessories, camera support equipment, telecommunication equipment.